How to fix the driver may be corrupted or missing error code 39. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the error code 39 where it says the driver may be corrupted or missing. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is search for Windows Security and then open this app. So once your Windows Security is open, on the left side of your screen you want to head to Device Security, and here on Core Isolation you're going to click on Core Isolation Details and make sure to turn off this memory integrity. If this is turned on, just make sure to turn it off. Once you have done that, what you want to do is open up your registry editor and then click on OK. So once your registry editor is open, you are just gonna copy this address right here. You can pause the video to copy this address, and then you can just paste it on the registry editor. Press enter, and this file will open up right here. So if you have a file called upper filter, then you just want to right click on it to delete the file. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.